Okay guys, today we're having a look at the Amari Koh Samui. Nestled on the beautiful island of Koh Samui in Thailand, Amari Koh Samui is a luxury 5-star hotel that offers a perfect blend of comfort, elegance, and tranquility. With its stunning architecture and breathtaking views, this hotel is an ideal choice for those seeking a memorable and relaxing vacation. The hotel boasts a total of 193 well-appointed rooms, ensuring a comfortable and enjoyable stay for all guests. Each room is designed with modern amenities and stylish decor, providing a perfect sanctuary after a day of exploring the beautiful island of Koh Samui. The hotel was last renovated in 2016, ensuring that guests can enjoy the latest facilities and a contemporary ambience. Conveniently located just 10 minutes away from the airport, Amari Koh Samui offers easy access to the hotel upon arrival. Situated only a half a kilometer from the city center, guests can explore the vibrant streets, indulge in local cuisine, and immerse themselves in the rich culture of Koh Samui. The hotel's prime location allows guests to experience the best of both worlds, a peaceful retreat and the excitement of the city. At Amari Koh Samui, we understand the importance of hassle-free transportation during your stay. That's why we offer a range of convenient transport facilities to ensure your journey is smooth from start to finish. For guests arriving by air, our airport transfer service is available to whisk you away to the hotel in comfort and style. Our friendly and professional drivers will be waiting for you at the airport, ready to assist with your luggage and provide a seamless transfer experience. If you're looking to explore the beautiful island of Koh Samui, our tour desk can help you plan your adventures. From snorkeling trips to cultural excursions, our knowledgeable staff will ensure you make the most of your time on the island. In addition, we also provide a taxi service for your convenience, making it easy to get around the island without any hassle. Like I said before, this is a 5-star hotel. On Agoda, it has a rating of 8.6 out of 10, which is really good. But only 2,690 reviews, which is not much for such a large hotel. The price range, a superior garden view right now is 5,280 baht per night or $155. And the top of the line room with 2 bedrooms is 19,200 baht or $566. For the superior room, 5,280 baht is a really good price for this time of year in Koh Samui in a 5-star hotel. And breakfast is included in that price. There are a lot of room choices here, and most of them range between 5,000 and 7,000 baht per night. This is of course before taxes. The price of hotels change a lot during the year, so I'll put a link to Agoda in the video description and you can check out the prices on your dates if you want to and get more information. This is a nice hotel in a really good area on a nice beach, and one worth considering if you're planning a trip to Koh Samui. Alright guys, there it is. As always, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it.